Hello and hi. I am going to explain the work that I have done. This is the heat, and these are the two transparent buttons having the macro behind these. And I'm going to press this button first to clear data. You can see that the data can be seen on the background. So first of all, going to press this button to clear data, and these are the three tabs mainly, and they had it has different data into it, like A data, A2 data, and this is a dummy data, and A3, and all the headings refers to the your files that you have sent me. So I open these sheets, and you can copy and paste all the data there. And first of all, once you have pressed this button, you will find that all data is completely washed out. There is no data left. And once you have pressed this macro, it will collect data from all that you have into these three sheet, and it will combine into this master sheet, merge sheet. Okay, I press this button, and you will find all the data from A to R is copied, and no data is left, and arranged into the form and merged like this: A3, A2, and A1. So this is I have done. You have to update, copy, or create a copy or a sheet in from the different sheets, and or a copy paste the data into these sheet. For example, if you want to create a copy, both open the both files, like for example, I am going to open uh, a rough of any other file, and this is the file, and you can move or create a copy. If you have into copy, create a copy, and then move to merge cell, you will find you have the data. Then you have to just a little scroll on it, and then go to the master sheet, clears data, and press this data, and you will find all the data that you have into this. And you can see that this file data is also is copied into the cell region. So this is it. All the data will be copied. Once you have, you can create a copy and move create copy and create the database into it, and then go to your main source sheet, and press first of all clear, and then press this button to merge all the data into single sheet. I'm going to delete this one, and now again going to do the process in it. At the moment data is clean, I want press all the data that are in the worksheet is copied. Even if you have something missing and then start data again, it will collect total data, not skip this one. Okay, you can see that it will work on a macro as well as on a uh, on a window PC, on a both. I'm going to send you this delivery into your order delivery and the video for a guidance.